Hello everybody. Welcome to PMN Online. Here I will show you how to move Google Docs from one account to another. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to transfer Google Docs between different accounts? Whether it's for work, school, or personal projects, knowing how to efficiently move documents between Google accounts can be a real lifesaver. Maybe you're consolidating your documents or sharing ownership with a team member or friend. Whatever the reason, being able to navigate this process smoothly is an essential skill. So let's dive in and learn how to transfer those documents effortlessly. First, get started by opening up your preferred web browser. Whether you use Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other modern browser, any of them will work just fine for this task. Once your browser is open, go ahead and search for Google Docs. For future convenience, you might find it helpful to bookmark the Google Docs homepage. This way, you can access it quickly whenever you need to. Upon reaching the Google Docs webpage, click on the link to open it. This action will take you directly into the Google Docs interface, where you will see all your documents neatly listed. Now, if you haven't already logged in, this is the time to do it. Enter your Google account credentials to gain access to your documents. If you manage multiple accounts, just be sure that you're logged into the correct one. It's easy to mix them up, so double-checking can save you a lot of hassle. With your Google Docs open and ready, take a look at the top left corner of your screen. That's where you'll find the Move icon, situated right next to the document's title. You might be tempted to click it to shift your document into a different folder within the same account. But remember, we're focusing on moving accounts today, so let's hold off on that. Next, direct your attention to the Open in New tab icon, which you'll find beside the folder where your document is saved in Google Drive. Clicking this will open Google Drive in a fresh tab, giving you a broader view and easier control over your documents. This is where the magic happens, and you'll see why in just a moment. Transferring a Google document from one account to another involves a clever little trick. What you're going to do is transfer the ownership of the document to a different Google Drive user. Let's break it down step by step. Begin by locating and clicking on the Share icon, which you'll find at the top right of the document window. Make sure that the document is already shared with the person who you want to be the new owner. If it isn't shared yet, add the recipient's email address right there. Once the document is shared, you'll see an Access drop-down menu, typically set to Editor by default. Click on this menu and look for an option to transfer ownership, and a pop-up will appear to confirm this action. When you're ready, go ahead and click on Send Invitation. Remember, the transfer will only be complete once the recipient accepts the invitation. As soon as they confirm it, they will gain full control over the document from their own account. And there you have it. You've successfully moved your Google Doc to another account. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily learn how to move Google Docs from one account to another. If you want more videos like how to move Google Docs from one account to another, subscribe to our channel PMN Online.